I'm not MAGA, please don't scroll. I have a moral compass and a soul. I just watched the full interview between Zelensky and Trump. To President Zelensky and the Ukrainian people, my most sincere and humble apologies on behalf of the United States of America. Donald Trump and J.D. Vance do not speak for the majority of Americans. We support the brave people of Ukraine. And Donald Trump and J.D. Vance's performance was absolutely embarrassing and absolutely disgraceful and disrespectful. President Zelensky handled himself with decorum, praiseworthy of the title president. Donald Trump disrespects the name and title of president. Donald Trump is not a brave man. Donald Trump is not a strong man. Donald Trump is a 5-time draft dodger. And there are American veterans serving in the Foreign Legion, risking it all for Ukraine's freedom. American lives being lost at the hands of Russia's invading forces. President Zelensky wants a ceasefire, but understandably is skeptical of a ceasefire on paper when the other side never abides by a ceasefire. Stay strong, Ukraine. Stay admirable and honorable, President Zelensky. You have conducted yourself admirably. This American supports you, as do millions upon millions of other Americans. Slava Ukrajina, Heroyam Slava. Trump, suka.